Hello everyone. Let's concentrate on these little ones. It says that simplify giving answers with positive index. This means they are not telling you to evaluate or multiply. They say that whatever form is, after solving, after simplifying, or you can say after reducing into its lowest form, simplest form, give your or leave your answers in the positive index. Come on. Therefore, let's start. We have number 1, 2b to the power 6. So here in 2b to the power 6, b cube and b to the power 4, when we would solve this one, how to go? So we'll go in this way: 2 times 5 multiplied by, this dot symbolizes multiplication, remember it. Now b to the power 6 plus 3 plus 4, b to the power 6 plus 3 plus 4. Now why? Because you already know that the formula says that a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y. Means if the base is same and these both of them are in multiplication form, the power gets added. Similarly, a to the power x divided by a to the power y will give you a to the power x minus y. Now, one more important formula is a to the power minus x is equal to 1 by a to the power x. Means if you have a negative exponent, you can make it positive by changing it into its reciprocal, or this can be written as a to the power x can be written as 1 by a to the power minus x. So vice versa, means opposite can be done. Now let us look it closely, that 2 into 5 into b to the power 6 plus 3 plus 4 means 2 5s are 10 multiplied by b to the power 6 plus 3 9 plus 4 13. This means I have got a simplified form as 10 b to the power 13. So no issues over here. Now let's concentrate onto the other one. We have x square. In number 2 we have x square. Have a look at the question properly. X square y cube 6x to the power 5 y 9x cube y 4. Therefore, we will multiply these numerical values over here. After writing the question, we will multiply the numerical value as why not, when why not to remove this. Okay, now it's okay. So 6 into 9. Now this x has power 2, here x has power 5, and here x has power 3. Therefore multiplied by x to the power 2 plus 5 plus 3, 2 plus 5 plus 3 multiplied by y to the power 3 plus 1. Y to the power 3 plus 1. Here the power of y, here the power of y is 1. Remember. Therefore, 3 plus 1 plus 4. Now, let us see what we get after multiplication. So, 9 6 are 54, x to the power 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, y to the power 4 plus 4, 8. This is our solution in simplest form. Why not to solve the third one also? We have enough space over here. Therefore, the third one can be solved as, have a look. Here, my dear, minus to the power 5. 5 is an odd number. So, when a negative number is raised to an odd power, the value we get is negative. Minus to the power 5, you will directly get your answer in minus. Now, let us break a to the power 5. So, minus a to the power 5 we will get it as minus a to the power 5. Once again, minus a whole to the power 5 is equal to minus a to the power 5 into a square or a to the power 2. So when you reduce this, what shall you get? You will get minus a to the power 5 plus 2. Now here you have to show that you have used the formula. This one is equal to a to the power 7 minus a to the power 7. Hence, if a child directly writes this without mentioning this one, without mentioning the usage of formula, naturally the child, or you can say the child, will get not full marks as expected. Deduction will be there because you people are not facing competitive examinations. You people are facing school examination. Let us concentrate on to the other one. Here we have similarly in number 4 we have minus y square. Once again let us see, in number 4 we have minus y square. Therefore this 2 belongs to minus also, and this 2 belongs to y also. So minus raised to the power 2 will get a positive value. Y square multiplied by minus raised to an odd power will give you minus y to the power 3. Therefore, let us check now. So, here we have plus y multiplied by minus y cube. This means we will get plus into minus is equal to minus y to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to y to the power minus y to the power 5. Have a look how we did it. Go through it again. Let's concentrate on to the other one, number 5. In number 5 we have minus 3 square. So minus 3 square minus raised to the power 2 will give you a positive value. 3 square means 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Both of them are in positive. Both of them have positive value. Therefore 3 to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 5. You need not to evaluate this. find the value of this, because they have asked you to find your answer in positive exponent, and this is my positive exponent, means the exponent, that is the index, should be positive. Let us concentrate on to the other one, number 5. Number 6, minus 4x. Number 6, we have minus 4x multiplied by minus 5x square. Have a look. Look at the question. Try to observe the question first. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x square. Here the power of x is 1. Therefore, minus 4 into minus 5 will give you a positive value. Multiplied by minus gives you a positive value. 5 4s are 20 multiplied by x to the power 1 plus 2. So naturally you have to show this, that you have used the formula. Therefore 20 is equal to 20 x to the power 3 is your simplified solution. Why not to concentrate on the other one, that is 7. 7 says 5a square b, 5a square b, 2ab square and a cube b. This means here we have two variables, a and b variables, all of them are in multiplication form. So let us first multiply the numerical value 5 into 2 and then multiply the variable, or you can say the same variables, that is a to the power 2 plus, here the power of a is 1. Have a look here, the power of a is 1. Please do not forget this. So 2 plus 1, and here we have a cube plus 3 multiplied by b to the power 1 plus, here we have 2 plus, and here we have 1 again. Therefore 5 2 times 10, a to the power 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6, b to the power 4 is our simplified solution. Okay. After this we have 8. 8, you can see that it is as simple as the other one. Here what they have done, they have given the exponent, in an expression form. Okay, nothing to fear it, as we are going to, so after writing the question which is already mentioned over here, will write x to the power 2a plus 7 plus 2a minus 8 plus 2a minus 8. Why not to write over here 2a minus 8? See what I have done, 2a minus 8. Therefore is equal to x to the power 2a plus 2a is equal to 4a, 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1, and this is what our solution is. Clear? It's as simple as anything. Let's come to number 9. 3 to the power y. See, have a look. This is not 3y. Have a look. This is not 3y. This is 3 to the power y. 3 to the power y. So 3 to the power y plus 2 and minus 4. Why? Because all of them are in multiplication. This dot symbolizes multiplication. When you are given a dot b, this means a multiplied by b. Hence, we have added all the exponent and finally we get a solution as 3y plus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So 3 to the power y minus 2 is our solution. Remember that here your power is y minus 2, or you can better write it as 3 to the power y minus 2, so that it's very clear. Why not? To move on to the other one. Number 9, 10 says 2 to the power 4a. Number 10 says 2 to the power 4a, 2 to the power 3a, 2 to the power minus a. So this is very simple. 2 to the power 4a plus 3a minus a. We have added all of them. Remember one thing, that if after we will solve this, I'll explain you the most important thing over here. So is equal to 2 to the power 4a plus 3a is equal to 7a minus a, means minus 1a. This means 7 minus 1 is equal to 6a. My dear, when you people get 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power minus y, how do we write? We write x 2 to the power x minus y. Do not get confused over here, because actually we are adding, not subtracting. We are adding the expression as 2 to the power x plus minus y. So we are adding the expression. Clear? Hence you shouldn't think that we are subtracting. We are adding over here. That is what we have done over here, that when we got a problem like this, 4a plus 3a plus minus a, which became minus a. Simple. Why not to do number 11 also? 11 says 4x to the power 2, 4x to the power 2, y to the power 2 divided by 9x to the power 3, y to the power 3. Okay. Now, here in division, since x square and x cube are in division form, therefore we shall write. Remember that when you are given a to the power x by a to the power y, how do we write? We write this as a to the power x minus y. Similarly, x square and x3 is here. So without getting confused, we will write this as 4 by 9 x to the power 2 minus 3 and y to the power 2 minus 3. So we will get a value as 4 by 9 x to the power minus 1 and y to the power minus 1. You all might have remembered the formula that in order to make a negative exponent positive, we have to change it into its reciprocal form. So this will be equal to 4 by 9 1 by x into 1 by y, or 4 by 9x y as our final solution. So hence this is very important. Why? Because I have directly used the formula. Simple. I have directly used the formula. Switching on to the other one, what I find that number 10. In number 10 we have, in number 12 we have 10 to the power 2, 10 square to the power 3 and x 8 to the power 12. Okay, fine. Where lies the problem? Where lies the problem? In number 12 we have 10 to the power 3 twos are 2 times 3 multiplied by x to the power 8 into 12 means 10 to the power 3 twos are 6 and x to the power 96.